Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself I am Lavkush Jogi. I have completed MSc in Agriculture, Seed Science and Technology, Specialization Seed Science and Technology from HNB Central University Srinagar, Uttarakhand in 2020. I have got 52 rank in PhD program Seed Science and Technology from Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICR All India Entrance Examination for Admission in 2021. Today I am going to tell about the topic seed production of forage crops. Guar fodder types. Land requirements. Land to be used for seed production shall be free of volunteer plants. In addition, the soil should be light and well aerated. Isolation requirements. Guar is largely a self-pollinated crop, but some cross-pollination by insect does take place. An isolation distance of 10 meters for foundation seed class, 5 meters for certified seed class from fields of other guar varieties and the fields of the same variety not conforming to varietal purity requirements for certification is essential. Brief culture practices. 1. Preparation of land. 1 deep plowing and 1 or 2 harrowings are sufficient to prepare field for guar. 2. Time of sowing, first and second week of July. 3. Source of seed. Obtain nucleus or waders or foundation seed from source approved by a certification agency. 4. Method of sowing. The seed crops should be planted in rows with the help of suitable drills. Depth of seeding should be 3 to 4 cm. 5. Spacing, row to row 45 to 60 cm, plant to plant 10 to 15 cm. 6. Seed rate 25 kg per hectare. 7. Fertilization 12.5 kg nitrogen and 50 kg phosphorus per hectare should be applied as vessel dose. And irrigation, no irrigation is required during the rainy seasons. In case of prolonged drought, 1 or 2 irrigations may be given as per requirements. In the event of heavy rainfall, it is necessary to drain off type of the excess water as quickly as possible. 9. Interculture, keep the field free of weeds. 1 to 2 weeks may be done in the early stage of the crop growth. 10. Plant production, no serious pest and disease has been noticed except bacterial blight. Hot water treatment of seeds at 56 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes is recommended to control the disease. The treated seed when sowing given disease-free seedlings. Rogging, the off-type plants and diseased plants affected by bacterial blight and anthracnose should be removed from the seed field from time to time as required. Harvesting and threshing, the crop is ready for harvest in about 110 days when the pods are mature. Harvesting is done by scales. The crop after cutting is left in the field for drying for 1 or 2 days. Later, the stalks in small heaps are picked or threshed by beating with sticks. Every precautions should be taken to avoid mechanical admixtures or threshing on threshing floor and contact of seed with moist soils. After threshing and cleaning, the seed should be dried to 10% moisture before storage. Seed yield, average seed yield varies from 12.5 to 15 quintal per hectare. Thanks.